Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that you'll be subscribed. There's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that you'll get an alert every time we upload new content. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would make me super happy. Today's video is me unboxing my Ricky's New York Cult Crushes box. I'm filming this on May 30th. This box came really late. I was getting notifications about a Bioderma micellar water that was on back order, and I don't know if it's in here or not. This box was $11, now it's $14. I'm gonna hang in here for a while because Ricky's is just a sentimental favorite of mine from when I was a kid. It's a teen, not a child, but you know what I mean. So it was $11 a month, now it's $14 a month. There is a wait list, and you do get 25% off, I think only on things on Ricky's online, but I'm in California and they're in New York, which I think is another reason why it came so late. I'm opening it up and it's all safely wrapped in here. And I don't see my Bioderma. So what it said is that they were going to put in something extra because the Bioderma wasn't in here. I've seen other people unbox theirs and there was Bioderma in it, so I'm confused about that. But here we go. It comes with a card. This month is Clean and Gleam, and I'll just open it and kind of read about it as I'm taking the products out. The first thing listed is Bioderma, which I didn't get. They're going to send that separately. Next is this Laundress Wash and Stain Bar. This handy bar is your wardrobe's new BFF. It's designed to clean those hard to reach stains that all beauty lovers experience, from ring around the collar to straps and sleeves and any other unwarranted place that your makeup gets. It smells soapy, as you might imagine. So that's this. And if I can find pricing, I will do that. Next is this. Well, this is weird. This is really small. These are BH Cosmetics brushes, and I feel like these were in a giveaway recently, or like a gift with purchase on BH Cosmetics recently. So, tapered, angled, and flat brushes are all the key to flawless makeup. Using this 3-piece set, shade and illuminate your eyes or whatever liquid cream or powder that you'd prefer. So these are a nice travel size. Actually, I like these sizes a lot, and I like the tips of these. This probably would be really good for especially under eye, like blending and concealer. So that's the next thing that I saw. Next is this Pure Pawpaw ointment. I have strawberry. Multi-purpose ointment. Carry this product with you wherever you go to soothe dry lips and skin in no time. Crafted from farm-sourced fruits. This is the perfect solution to heal and hydrate all season long. Oh, so it has one of these guys in here. I'm opening. Ooh, it smells like strawberry. Not straw. Well, it kind of does smell like strawberry. What does it smell like? It's definitely emollient. I guess it has petroleum, I would assume, in it. Yep. What is it? Ooh, it's nice. I could see using it on my lips, but I can also see using it like on cuticles and things like that. And I'm getting a scent memory. Kind of like Strawberry Shortcake, the doll, but a little realer than that, if that makes sense. A little more like a real strawberry. I'm moving on. I got excited. Okay. And the last thing that's on the list is J-Cat Liquid Highlighter. Turn heads in the sunshine with this dewy and multi-dimensional highlighter. Mix it with your favorite primer, foundation, or moisturizer for a luminous finish that takes your look to the next level. So that, mine's in Moonlight. Put it on my other hand, not the hand that has the pawpaw ointment. So let's see. Whoa. Yeah, this is similar to other ones that I don't really use these very much, but I have seen, is it Cover Effects that does this? A lot of people now are doing this kind of highlighty, kind of a bronzy thing. And actually, this is not going to be the summer that I get tan, but it might be the summer that I experiment a little bit with kind of bronzy highlighting drops. Jury's still out, but I want to experiment. And the last thing, and this is not on the list, it is, I don't know this company. Comodines? Urban Cosmetics. This is a makeup removing with micellar water wipes. So this is to replace the Bioderma water, which I know is en route. So, not my favorite from them, but it's not terrible. And I'm gonna keep subscribing to this box for a while because I, again, have a sentimental relationship with Ricky's, and sometimes when boxes are just getting started, it takes a while for them to kind of get organized and get their organizing principle together. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll definitely be doing more of these in the future. And thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.